Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Sign into the exact Google account that holds the backup and open Photos. Google.com or the Google Photos app. Once signed in, make sure Sync shows backup complete. That confirms originals exist in the cloud. If you see no backup, switch accounts and check again. Next, prepare to export originals. Grab a computer for faster downloads and confirm you have enough disk space. Once done, we'll use Google Takeout to perform the complete retrieval. This preserves albums and original file quality. Now you're in Google Takeout. Deselect everything and choose only Google Photos to avoid unnecessary exports. Pick Zip if you want quick extraction, choose original quality to keep full resolution, and set archive size to match your bandwidth. Smaller sizes split into multiple files. Click Create Export and Google will compile your photos. This can take minutes or hours depending on size. Once Takeout finishes, you'll receive an email with download links. Download each archive to your computer and verify file sizes match expected totals before extracting. Download every Takeout archive to your computer, then extract them into a single organized folder so file names and album folders remain intact. Once extracted, use Google Photos Upload or your device's file manager to import images back to the device, or drag folders into Google Drive for mobile access. Make sure to choose Original Upload if prompted. If some photos didn't appear, check the trash and any alternate Google accounts, often backups live under a different email. If problems persist, repeat Takeout with narrower date ranges to capture elusive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.